are going to do an activity called Outdoor Sticky Mural. Today you will need scissors, you will need duct tape, you will need tape, and you will need outdoor plants or whatever you want to put on your mural. So I already picked out all the things that I want to put on my mural. So as you see, there's a bunch of things that you can choose from in your own backyard or your front yard. We are going to use tape to put on our beautiful flowers or whatever you want to put on. So I'm going to get a piece of tape and I am going to put it right here. But you can put it anywhere you decide. You're going to put it like that. And then you're just going to keep doing that over and over again until you find what you want to do, and it will be a beautiful mural. That one's not sticking. You see how I'm just choosing a bunch of different things? You can also do the same. You can just choose whatever you decide you want to put on your mural. You can choose to do your mural inside, outside, wherever you decide. And if it's not sticking, maybe you can use duct tape or you can use something else that makes it. So friends, at the end of your mural, it's going to look something like this. It's not going to look exactly the same, but that's okay. You can keep adding or not put as much, but I hope you all enjoy and we'll see each other soon. Bye.